Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add someone to your close friends list on Instagram by using iOS. Moving on to the video, first of all, you have to have Instagram app installed on your iOS device, which can be downloaded from App Store. Open your Instagram app. On the bottom right corner, you can see your DP. Tap on your DP. Now on the top right corner, you can see three lines which represents option. Tap on options. On the second last option, you can see close friends. Tap on close friends. Now here are all of your close friends that you have added before. If you want to update it or remove all, tap on clear all. And if you want to add them on your close friends list, tap on their names or tap on the circle and select people who you want to be on your close friends list. When you are done selecting, tap on done. That is how you add someone on your close friends list or remove someone from close friends list. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If this video was helpful for you, do like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below, hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified when we post new videos.